Last two questions.
अच्छा,
आपने माँ की बात की, and I know that you were very very close to your father. You know, the Anupam Kher that I know is very religious. I've seen you. आज तो दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है. Otherwise, you got some 7-8 red.
हाँ, वो कंटिन्यूटी में निकालने पड़े.
अच्छा. On your hand and things like that. Very orthodox in a certain way. In your religious beliefs and the way you believe. At the same time, when your father passed away, you did something completely untraditional. You celebrated his death with a band, music, and everything. There was a major. I mean, I couldn't understand that part of it.
I think anybody who does not have a contradiction in his personality is not living. It's very important to have contradictions. It's very important. I wanted to pay a tribute to my father by celebrating his life, my religious beliefs, or the fact that I pray for somebody. In fact, most of the things that I am wearing are given to me by my mother. ये पहन ले, तेरे छोटे छोटे एक्सीडेंट नहीं होंगे, ये सब नहीं होगा. ये सब जो है मेरी माँ के दिए हुए हैं. But that does not separate me. As I said to you, I don't judge people. My father would have hated it if I had had a typical filmy chautha for him. I felt that, not with all due respect to everybody who observe it in a traditional manner, but I felt we will find it very fake if people will come with white clothes and sit quietly and say, इस हफ्ते क्या collection था, so and so film का. So I said, let me liberate them. I told them to wear colored clothes and come there, and I told my brother to stand on the main gate and laugh when they come. And I also wanted to make my mother feel that she was married to a wonderful man, because she is the one person who has to deal with her life after being with somebody for 58 years. So that's why I did it, and I'm sure my father must be smiling somewhere for that.
आपने कभी सोचा था कि राजनायक आपको इंटरव्यू करेगा? आप
Oh my God, मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था, पर मैंने ये भी सोचा था कि जिंदगी में कुछ भी हो सकता है.
Thank you very much, Anupam. As always, a sport. Okay, and I'll throw it open to the audience.
अच्छा, एक बात मैं बताना चाहता हूँ, ये बड़ी देर से वेट कर रहे हैं कि मैं फोटो कब खिंचा लूं तो ताकि ये दूसरी जगह जा सकें. इससे मुझे याद आया कि तिरुपति में जो नाई होते हैं ना, नाई, वो लाइन में बिठा के रखते हैं सबको और लोगों के आधे बाल काट देते हैं और उसको बोलते हैं तू बैठ जा, अब तू कहीं नहीं जा सकता, तो भैया फोटो खींच लो और जाओ दूसरे.
नहीं, खींचने से पहले एक सवाल मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ. फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में सभी अलग अलग ट्रांसप्लांट करते हैं, प्लास्टिक सर्जरी करते हैं. आपने कभी सोचा कि टू गेट सम हेयर?
नेवर इन माई लाइफ. एक बार मैं हेयर क्लिनिक का एड पढ़ रहा था, पीछे से किरण गुजरी और बोली सोचना भी मत. और थोड़ी देर बाद मेरा सिकंदर बोला, डैड इफ यू गेट हेयर ट्रांसप्लांट प्लीज डोंट कम बैक होम. सो नहीं, आई थिंक दिस इज अ वेरी वेरी अमेजिंग लुक. People who get it done, I think they must be finding something missing in their life. I don't find anything missing in my life. Thank you. So आज फोटो कर लीजिए, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फोटो है. मैंने अपनी टीम की आधी फोटो खिंचानी थी. मतलब क्या तुम्हारा यार? कोई ऐसा है माइक लाल जो यहीं रुकेगा? तुम हट जाओ ना वहां से, इधर बीच में आ जाओ, वहां से बैठ के बोल रहे हो इधर. अरे प्रदीप कहाँ है? चलो थोड़ा बैक जाए. क्या करूं? फेस ढक लूं? जो मजा तुमको यहां आने वाला था ना थोड़ी देर, अभी और देर तक, वो वहां नहीं आने वाला जहां जा रहे हो. कहाँ जा रहे हो बताओ मुझे, हैं? क्या हो रहा है वहां पे? आप लोगों को तो पता भी नहीं वहां क्या हो रहा है। एक बार देखिए, कुछ भी हो सकता है। मेरे साथ पता क्या हुआ, मैंने कुछ पॉलिटिकली कुछ बोल दिया था तो 15-20 लोग आ गए मेरे स्कूल में पत्थर मारने। ये हमारे पास टेप किया हुआ है। तो वो आके बोलने लगे अनुपम खेर जिंदाबाद, अनुपम खेर जिंदाबाद। पीछे से बोला नहीं मुर्दाबाद बोलना है, मुर्दाबाद बोलना है। तो जाओ भैया, क्या कर सकते हैं। ओके, अभी वी हैव ए कुछ भी हो सकता है मोमेंट फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू ओवर हियर। हमारे कुछ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव आएंगे, आपको बोल में एक फॉर्चून कुकी देंगे और उसमें काफी सारी चीजें लिखी हैं। उसमें किसी के बोल में कुछ भी हो सकता है फॉर्चून कुकी पे लिखा होगा। जिनके फॉर्चून कुकी में कुछ भी हो सकता है लिखा हो, वो हाथ खड़ा करके मुझे बता दें कि कौन है, फिर मैं उनसे और बात करूंगा। चल भी,
जहाँ तक मेरी जानकारी है, गलत भी हो सकती है
जी,
कि लखनऊ में कुछ पैसे अभी भी एक दुकानदार के पास बकाया हैं और उसने बकायदा तख्ती लगा रखी है कि अनुपम खेर हमारे बकायेदार हैं। आप जानबूझकर उसके पैसे नहीं दे रहे हैं या कुछ रिश्ते
नहीं?
हैं?
ऐसे बहुत शहर हैं जहां पर मैंने लोगों के पैसे नहीं दिए हैं। बट अगर मैं पैसे दे देता तो वो बोर्ड ना लगाता और आप ये सवाल ना पूछते
जी।
इसलिए ये मोहब्बत के हैं। मैं कई बार लखनऊ में गया हूँ, वो बोलता है कि मैं पैसे नहीं लूंगा, क्योंकि जिस दिन मैंने आपके पैसे ले लिए उस दिन आपकी मेरी कहानी खत्म हो जाएगी।
क्या बात।
तो आई थिंक दैट वाज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर हिम।
मिस्टर राज, हाय, ज्योति फ्रॉम 9X है। मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि कलर्स हमेशा नॉन फिक्शन शोज के लिए काफ़ी पॉपुलर रहा है, तो अब ये 4 शो आ रहा है, तो क्या उम्मीद है आपको कि बाकी जिस तरह से हाई टीआरपी एक क्रिएट किया था हिस्ट्री, वैसे ही अनुपम जी का ये शो आगे चलकर जो बाकी शोज ने इतनी पॉपुलैरिटी ली है वो ले पाएगी?
जब हम कोई भी शो करते हैं, देयर आर वेरियस रीजंस व्हाई वी डू शोज। ओके, some shows aim at very high TRP, some shows aim at profiling the channel, because as a general entertainment channel we have to have a lot of variety, and even Anupam Kher show, I think it will do extremely well. The feedback we've got so far has been extremely positive, and like I said, what you'll get to see on this show, you'll rarely get to see it on any other show. So, you know, ratings is one thing, but I believe it will do very well.
Oprah Winfrey is one of my favorite chat show hostess, and I am a great admirer of hers. And you can say that I like her, and if unknowingly I have tried to do that, I think that's an achievement. But this show is more of I am doing this show at a stage where I'm comfortable with myself. वापिस आ रहा उसका फोन। हाँ
हेलो,
हाँ, कौन बोल रहा है? मिस्टर झा। So he wanted to confirm it. So I feel I'm doing this show at a stage when I'm comfortable with myself. You will not believe that none of the people who came on the stage on the show asked me even once before the show that I want to know what you're asking me. So that speaks their trust in me as a person. And also, I don't think I have asked a question to any of my guests and they said, I don't want to reply to this question. So I think when you can create that kind of, but for me, entertainment is what engages you. The stories are engaging. Oprah Winfrey, at some stage, if we take it further in few seasons, I would like to do this show with people from various walks of life, and then it will make a difference. But yes, in my mind, she is somewhere there. That's the power of television, because they have understood that they need television for lots of things, because where television reaches, no other medium reaches. It's unbelievable. And the power of television you can't ignore.
I must tell you an incident which is very funny. Last year, I was traveling to Wimbledon, and I was at the airport when I met Anupam and his mother. They were all going to IFA, to Macau or something. So the entire film fraternity was there, and I was talking to Anupam, and he introduced me to his mother. And suddenly his mother nudges him, and she says, "I want a picture with that person." The whole film industry is there. She did not ask for a picture with any film star. She asked for a picture with a television star who was there in the airport.
That's right. That's the power of television. We understood. Promotion is very important. Yes, please. My talk was happening with him, and he had said yes to me. But then immediately after that, he became the Prime Minister. And then when I met him, and he said, "मैं आऊँगा ज़रूर आपके शो पर." And he said, "क्या नाम है शो का?" मैंने कहा, "कुछ भी हो सकता है." तो कहता, "इसका बदल दीजिए नाम." मैंने कहा, "क्या रखूँ?" कहता, "सब कुछ हो सकता है." So I think hopefully when he gets time, I would certainly like to have him on the show. Yeah. He's the only person I paid for this show, and I paid him. He almost fainted. He told my team, he says, 21,000 रुपया दे रहे तुम? तो मैंने कहा, नहीं, ये मेरा पहला show है, and आप मेरे पहले guest हो. I do it because I think I come from a background where we are thankful to people who have helped us, and I'm thankful. I will always be thankful. My 500 rupees or 5,000 rupees does not make a difference. But as I said about that man in Lucknow, some stories should not end. And when you give it a finale, they end. So I continue doing that. Say na something to Anupam uncle, yes. I'm still, it's a 15-year gap of that show. Now those people have grown up, and I'm interviewing them, basically. Yes, what's your question, sir? You see, when I did Say Na Something to Anupam uncle, it was very popular because I did not treat kids as kids. I treated them as adults. So they got very comfortable with that. Children don't like to be treated as kids. In this show, I treated my guests as my friends. And all of them said that after 5 minutes, we forgot that we are in a television studio, then there are audience, and there is camera. I think that was the magic of this show, basically. I must, before I go take another question, I think I must introduce to my team to you. We have Shagun, who is the creative director of the show. Shagun, please get up. And she was assisted by Komal, my research team. I think they have done an amazing research team. We have a very fine actor here who wrote this, who did a favor to me by writing this thing, Pradyuman. Pradyuman, you all know, Pradyuman is also an actor who acted in Tere Bin Laden. He was the Osama Bin Laden of that film. And thank you. And then there are other people over here. We have our executive producers, Herman D'Souza and Mr. Sailesh Kothari. They did a great job. Herman, am I forgetting anybody else? We have our production designer, Main. So I had an amazing team who did this show. I used to literally walk on the set. Shagun will brief me what they have found out about them. I was shocked when they told me that Shah Rukh Khan's actual name was Abdul Rahman, which I have been in industry for the last 30 years. We worked together so much. So we really had. So I used to just take brief from her. I did not depend on any cue sheets. And that is why the show works according to me. So I know TRPs are very important, but I think this experience has made me very rich as a person. It has really made me feel that in life kuch bhi ho sakta hai. And I must completely bow my head in appreciation of the Colors team, because the most amazing set of people I got to work with. Thank you, Monica. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Sonia. Thank you, everybody. I think the promos that you have seen, the writing that has gone into promos is this table, which is here. There is no way this show could have been possible, and I'm not giving a speech just to thank them. They know that how much important they are in my life, and how I have made their life miserable by calling them up कि ये कैसा है, and their involvement was phenomenal, and I would like to continue with them for the rest of my seasons, and we will just ask one question to Mr. Raj Nayak: how many seasons is he promising me right now? Anyway, next.
Yes, good evening, sirs. Here.
Hanji, sir.
Yes, sir. Mr. Nayak, now that you had asked Mr. Khair so many good questions, were you prepared for them, scripted them, or on the spot?
You won't believe it was spontaneous.
That is one thing I observed. That means that this will be the only show which we would call it a real reality show, because I have never seen one where the scripting, direction,